In this video, we are going to fix the error 2018-05 cumulative update for Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for Reg Edit. Click on the OK button. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So after that, navigate to the HK local machine, double tap, proceed to the software, double tap again, and then under this, you need to navigate to Microsoft, double tapped, and scroll down on the list and find for Windows NT. Once you have find it, you need to double tap again and there you can see current version. Double tapped and from that under the current version, you need to locate for profile list. So please scroll down and find for it. Once you have find for it, double tap to expand and the catch is you need to find those profiles that no longer exist in your Windows. So you need to delete that one. Okay. So just have to make a right click and click on delete it, but make sure that you haven't delete the admin. Okay? Once you have delete the profile list, don't worry because I'll be including this path at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. Once you have deleted the profile that no longer present in your Windows, you need to close the paths being opened. And then you need to close the registry editor and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, try to navigate to the search box here and type for CMD. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And after that, you need to run it as an administrator. So after that, you can see here run as administrator. Wait until you can see that before we continue. Once you've seen it, directly click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the commands that I have provided at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, you need to paste it here to the command prompt one by one. So first is to do SFC scan now. So this will do system scanning and this will automatically detect the corrupted files and automatically fix them. This will help you to solve the problem. And once you are done with the SFC scan, you need to navigate to the DISM scan that will help you restore the health of your computer. So copy and paste it here and then make sure that you have leave this command prompt open. Don't close this window and then might as well don't close your computer. Once you are done with the procedure, restart your PC and once you've restarted it, try to run for Windows Update and check if it's working. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.